amplitude comparison. Direction finding ACDF. Low-cost PCB antennas. Simple comparison of signal amplitudes. Rough direction indication. Spatial spectrum. Estimation SSE. Military-grade 9-element array antennas. Synchronous high-speed amplitude phase acquisition. Super-resolution DF. ACDF. Many blind spots. E-exable. Unstable directional indication. Accuracy is less than or equal to 30 degrees. SSE. Amplitude phase algorithm. Eliminate external interference. Real-time target tracking. Accuracy is less than or equal to 3 degrees. ACDF. Unstable DF with single device. Vague intersection and unacceptable results with 2 devices. SSE. Real-time target locking. Accurate intersection with 2 devices. 9-element array antennas precise measurement. Spatial spectrum estimation. Real-time positioning.